it drill. I'm independent, I don't need no deal. I'm jaws on the beat, I got flow that kills. Do my ting with a few G's, Lauren Hill.
What's up guys, it's Unders and just coming in with a really quick video today just to show you a little idea and technique you can use on, well, pretty much anything, but it works really well on like little vocal snippets, and it's the reverse delay. And it used to be a pain in the backside to make, because you had to bounce the delay out and then reverse it and retime it. However, the two plugins on the screen pretty much get it done for us, which is pretty cool. This is by no means a finished track. It was just something I started sketching out today, and I used this technique and thought, actually, this is a much smarter way to do it. I'll share this. So let me just play the loop, listen to what's going on with the vocal, then we'll solo it and blah, 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 blah.
Sometimes, the nature I love.
Cool, so we got that like trailing off vocal effect going on, but it's also being flipped round and reversed.
Sometimes.
Rather than just the standard repeat of the same thing. And it adds a nice texture over what's going on with the vocal, and it just helps it roll along when you've just got those little snips in, right? And the technique to it is really, really simple. So there's nothing else going on. There's not reverb or anything. We're just using the two that are on the screen. So the vocal gets sent to a bus, and the bus I've just called H delay here. We've got H delay, the initial reverse, and a compressor afterwards, which is doing nothing apart from moving it out of the way of the kick drum. So it's just side chained in there. It's my classic FET D&B side preset. So let's just get rid of the initial audio one. Listen to what the delay actually does. And what the delay is doing is a couple of settings. So it's on 1/4, so 1/4, only a little bit of feedback, analog set to 4, and I've actually got modulation here. You can barely see it, but it's literally set to depth of 2 and modulation of 0.12 on the oscillator. And that just means that the repeats aren't exactly the same. They fluctuate a little bit in pitch.
Sometimes.
Yes, you can hear that rising up in the pitch. That's the modulation effect. Now that is what helps them give an extra different feel when they're reversed. It just gives that extra little bit of texture. A bit like if you were to put it into tape, you're going to get wow and flutter. It's going for that kind of thing. That's why H delay is such a useful little plugin, to be fair. Now then, we literally just put initial reverse on afterwards on the same 1/4, and then we can get this. Sent to bus 3, I think like minus 11.9 if you want to be precise, but you know, minus 12 dB approximately. Tiny bit of EQ on the vocal, just taking out some low end and all that jazz. And yeah, and just send them together, and then together we get that cool delayed reverse vocal as an extra layer.
Sometimes.
And it helps the vocal ride along a little bit in the track. Cool, right? Nice and simple thing. If you guys want to get an extra 10% off the H delay in a sale, there's a link below. And if you want to download Reverse to try this effect out, that is linked below as well. Guys, I've been Unders. I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for subscribing.